AI fashion show video. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can create a virtual catwalk for your collections. In this video, you will be able to, after watching this video and following all the steps, you'll be able to create videos just like this, and this. And a bonus one, this. You'll be able to create all these videos with just a few clicks. So if you're excited, let's hop into the video today. This is your Victor. So yeah, let's get into it. First, what I want you guys to do is go ahead to wearview.co. Once you go to wearview.co, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and create one. It won't take much time, just less than 10 seconds. You can just create with Google. It just takes less than 10 seconds even. Once that is done, once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the Try It Now button if you're in the screen. Once you click on the Try It Now button, you will get all the features or all the services that are provided by Wearview. Some of them include AI Tryon Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, which we'll be using today, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Pose Control, AI Consistent Models, AI Model Swap. Now, if you already have an image of your model wearing your dress, then of course you can go ahead and click on the AI Fashion Video. But if you don't have it, you just have the dress and you want to create some kind of AI fashion video with that dress, well, I will help you out with that. For that, if you have a single dress that you want your model to wear, for example, a beautiful floral dress and stuff like that, then of course go ahead and use AI Tryon Studio. But if you have multiple garments or multiple clothing items, for example, a jacket, a jeans, or a sneaker, hats, shades, stuff like that, then you will use AI Product to Model. But for me, I have a beautiful dress that I want my model to wear, so I'll click on AI Tryon Studio. Once you click on AI Tryon Studio here, you will have to select your garment. So for that, click on the Choose File button, and then I'll choose this beautiful dress that I have. Once the dress is selected, we'll click on the next button. Now it says select your model. Now, if you have a model, go ahead and click on the Choose File button. But if you don't have a model, don't worry. We have a huge collection of, male as well as female AI models. You can see here, these are all the male AI models who are really good looking. Even female AI models, we have a huge collection of them, and they look really pretty and really nice. For this video, I will choose Yuki to be our model. All right, then we'll click on the next button. Once you click on the next button, it will show us, hey, the dress color and my t-shirt just matches. Wow. So weird, right? Well, here it shows the garment as well as the model. This is the garment, this is the model that you chose or selected. Next comes the quality. If you're really serious about your business, then of course, go ahead and choose 4K. But for this video, I'll choose 2K because even 2K is really high quality. Trust me on that. For aspect ratio, you can choose whatever you want, maybe 3:4, but for this video, I'll choose 9:16, which means it will be a vertical one because we will be creating the video in vertical format as well. But if you say that you already have a model image, don't worry. You can just move ahead with this video. We'll choose the aspect ratio as this, and we'll finally click on the generate button. Now this will take the power of AI to generate, this, AI model wearing our very own dress. So I want to keep you guys waiting. I'll resume the video once the generation is completed. All right, guys, so as you can see, our model Yuki is looking really pretty with the dress on. The texture is looking great. Even her hair and her smile, her hands and stuff like that, all of them are looking really flawless. By any chance, if you have something like there are some artifacts in the background or stuff like that, if the dress is not looking good or stuff like that, you want to edit something, then go ahead and click on the refine button and go ahead and type in whatever you want to change. It says describe what to change. Maybe there are some artifacts in the background. Maybe you want a clean white background. You can do that. Remove background distractions. Everything you can just do it. The problem that you are looking at, if you have a problem with the image, mention it and Wearview will do the rest. Once that is done, here you can see we have a toggle of AI fashion video. So we will be clicking on it. And once we click on AI fashion video option, here it says upload model photos. This is where you will be uploading. If you already have an image of your model wearing your dresses, you go here and you just upload it there. All right, it also asks for a back photo, which is an optional one. You can skip it because we will create a catwalk video, so we just need the front one. And then finally click on the next button. Here we will have these preset, or these kind of videos that we have in total 4 5 6 7 videos like presets that you can just see. A zoom in, walk through, side reveal, 360-degree showcase, back turn, catwalk. Catwalk is something that we are really interested, so we'll be choosing it. But if you want, you can also create a custom, motion or custom template for your video, like for your fashion show or for your brand. There are also available for male as well. As you can see, if you have a male character, if you have a male model, you can just use it. But as we have a female model, AI model, so we'll use a female, and then you will choose catwalk and click on the next button. Now for background, you can choose keep same, but for better professional look, I'll choose white studio. It says clean professional look. For aspect ratio, I'll choose 9:16 because it's vertical. It'll say the total cost, which is 20 credits, and finally click on the generate button. Now this will take around, it says 1.5 minutes, but it takes around hardly same 30 to 40 seconds, so I won't keep you guys waiting. We'll just see what the final video is together. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll resume the video once the generation is completed. All right, guys, so as you can see, our video is ready here. You can see our model Yuki is really nice, and also she's walking with confidence, and this is the catwalk video that we're talking about. Now this looks so good. What I'll do, I'll just download the video from here, and then I'll update this video in my website, and as well as the online store that I have for this dress. Well, that's how you create AI fashion AI fashion show and create a virtual catwalk for your collection. Now it doesn't matter how many types of images that you have, or how many garments or how many dresses you have. You just follow the same steps, and this is how you create fashion show video. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. This is Victor from Wearview. I know it is really easy, with just a few clicks you create these must-create videos. So what I want from you in return is like this video, subscribe to the channel for more videos. That's pretty much it, guys. This is Victor from Wearview signing out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.